My family and I traveled from California to Ohio to purchase my childhood home. Join us on our family adventures as we renovate this 1960s bungalow into our family home. What up, y'all? It's Ro back with another video. You know what it is, renovation time. About to do some insulation. Step one, have a sharp knife. A sharp one. Do I got mine on me? I don't have it on me. And then also have a measuring tape and a marker. And then you'll be good to go. Yeah, I'll check in with you guys when I'm done. So some of you might be wondering, why is there a piece of plywood on the framing of the window? So the reason for that is because to prevent any more water damage from happening or getting inside of the house. Unfortunately, there's this corkboard that is around the whole house. I call it corkboard. I really don't know what the name is, but it's like when you put your plywood down on the exterior of your home, and then you put your Tyvek or your waterproofing Tyvek house wrap. They did this, I guess, back in the day to allow for breathing and moisture or something. I don't know, but whatever it was, clearly it didn't work out. So we gotta figure this out too. It's not done, but I finished up for today. Here, take a look. Almost there, guys. Almost there. So I got about 9 more left. Not too bad for a day. This room, like I said, is almost done. It'll be ready for drywall. But Friday, I'd definitely be ready for that. So, and the guys came out and they started and finished up the drywall. I do gotta say, not too bad of a job. It's not too bad, I would say. I did have to come by to fill in some gaps with some foam, so you know, it is what it is. Today is the day that we pour concrete. Concrete is what we are pouring today. Yeah, guys, we're gonna be pouring concrete today. This is what we're filling up right here. See where all those rocks in situation are? Yeah. We're gonna be pouring that today, getting this situated. I'm excited because when we get this done, when we get this part, finished, we can actually start framing up things now. It's a little rainy today, but overall it's not bad. So yeah, let's get into this video. All right, so we rented a cement roller wheelbarrow thing. I don't know what it's called, y'all. Okay, I don't even want to look it up. I just don't know what it's called, but it rolls the cement. You add water, you add your cement inside of it, and then you spray some water in it, and then hey, cement is right there. So we rented that boy, and this thing was very nice, actually. You could definitely rent one for pretty cheap at your local tool rental store, and it's super helpful. Alright, so take it from me, y'all. Make sure that you write in your contract every little detail that you can think of that you want your contractor to do, because they will try to get out of everything, and that's what this plumber tried to do. I ain't gonna lie, he was trash. He was trash at times. Did he get the job done? Yes. But how long did it take? Forever. So I would just encourage you all, if you guys have contractors, make sure you put it in your contract, every little detail that you can think of about, plumbing or electrical or whatever it is. In this case, I did not know anything about plumbing, so I let him go about doing it. And then he was trying to get out of the actual cementing and putting the floor back together, because he tore it up, but he tried to get out of putting it back together. So thank goodness I put it in the contract that you got to put it back together too. So, and as you guys saw in the previous videos, that the way that you actually put the concrete back together is that you put the dirt that you took out, put it back in there, and then on the top you put like this pea gravel rock situation, and then as you see, you just put the cement on top of that and then let it cure forever. So yeah, but like I said, y'all, learn from me, please learn from me. Write in your contracts every single detail that you can think of, so you don't miss anything out, because you can always refer back to that contract to be like, yo,
I don't care what you thought. I don't care what you think. I don't care whatever. Here is the contract. You signed it, and here it is. So go and do it. But be respectful about it, y'all. I'm just still mad.
All right, y'all. Just finished the concrete smithing. I'm tired. 60-pound bags. Mixing in that mixer is not fun. I think we had 17, so we had 2.5 left. What is that? 15.5? No, 14.5. 17 minus 2 is 15. And then, yeah, 14.5. Yeah, I was right. Yeah, come on. Don't be coming at me. All right, cool. So, guys, I want to show you what we have done. And I'm not going to lie, I'm excited. I'm pretty excited. So, take a look. Ah, look at that boy. Look at that boy. Yeah. I'm excited. This is what we were waiting for. We were waiting for officially to pour the cement, mix it, pour it, get it all in. And it only took like 2 hours to pour and mix and do all this stuff. So the next step is to put some self-leveling all around here. And then after that dries and cures, then I can start framing out of the half bathroom and then put another wall right here. Bam, bam, bam. So yeah, guys, so right now I'm gonna let this dry. It takes about 4 days or so to dry. So while I'm letting this dry, I'm gonna go
do some drywall mudding. That's what I'm gonna do. Yeah, so I decided to go about doing some mudding, y'all. This is my first time actually mudding. Watched a few different YouTube videos. Told me how to mix the mud and make sure that it's kind of like a little bit like peanut butter, but like super smooth. After mixing your mud, you're going to take your 4-inch knife and take some mud and put it into the gaps and seams of your drywall. After that, you're going to take your drywall tape and apply it to the mud that you just put down. And then you're going to put another coat of mud right over that drywall tape. You're just covering up your drywall tape so eventually you can cover up the seam. So after a few coats of mud, sanding, mud again, sanding, and maybe even some more mud, you're eventually slowly but surely trying to make that seam disappear. In between those different passes, when you're doing the mudding, the sanding, the mudding, and sanding, you're going to be using different size knives to help widen that mud so those seams can actually disappear. So there's a 4-inch, a 6-inch, 8-inch, and a 10-inch, 12, 14. Some even go up to like 2 feet. Like seriously, it's crazy out here. But for this, you definitely don't need to do all that. Let's just keep moving forward in the process.
Alright guys, so I just finished up the bedroom in here, and the first coat is done. All the vertical joints, I got all the drywall screws and all that stuff patched in, sealed up. Alright, so before I get started, so this is the last coat that I'm going to be doing today. What I'm going to be using is this little sanding stick, 220 sanding grit. So it's going to sand it pretty fine. We're going to sand, we're going to put the second coat, the final coat on, and then we're going to just let it dry. Alright guys.
If you guys made it this far, I do want to thank you guys for watching. I do really appreciate it, and I just want to let y'all know this is a journey. It's a process. This is not going to be a quick fix, quick easy situation. It's a process. It takes time, and it's a lot of sweat and tears and sweat and a lot of tears. Y'all just don't see them. No, I'm just playing. I don't got no tears, but a lot of sweat though. Definitely, I'm losing weight, honestly. Do you see how many times I'm actually doing this? Like, having the stick and sanding, above your head. Oh, come on. It's a lot of work. But seriously though, I do appreciate you guys for sticking by and staying and watching the video. And I just want to let y'all know, I'm just going to keep pushing out this content. Keep pushing out as much as I can, and keep building this home. And keep renovating it. It's for me, my wife, and my family, and it's a legacy. It's a legacy thing. It's not just just to do it to entertain. There's a purpose to actually doing these videos, and I hope you guys kind of understand that, and you're seeing that, and you're feeling that in this video as well. So yeah, y'all, I just want to come in here and just say, yo, thank you. I appreciate y'all for watching. Thank you all for watching this video. Make sure you guys comment, like, and subscribe. And until next time, I'll see you all in the next video.